Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Foodpanda. First, open your Foodpanda application and navigate to your profile settings. Look for the Payment Methods section, which is usually found under your account details. This is where you will begin the process of adding PayPal, ensuring a smooth and efficient way to pay for your delicious meals. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Once you are in the Payment Methods section, you will see an option to add new payment method. Tap on this, and then select PayPal from the available choices. The app will securely redirect you to the official PayPal website or app. Here, you will log in with your PayPal credentials and grant permission for Foodpanda to use it for payments. This step ensures your financial information remains protected. When you have filled your cart with your desired food items, proceed to the checkout screen. On this page, you will see a summary of your order and various payment options. Simply select PayPal from the list of available methods. A pop-up might appear asking you to confirm the payment through your PayPal account. Confirm the transaction, and your order will be placed, ready for delivery right to your doorstep. Using PayPal with Foodpanda offers several advantages, including robust security for your transactions. Your bank details are never directly shared with Foodpanda, adding an extra layer of protection. Plus, it makes for a much quicker checkout experience, saving you valuable time. If you encounter any issues, ensure your PayPal account has sufficient funds and that your internet connection is stable for a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.